Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to reveal how much YouTube paid me for 31.7 million views. And here's the twist, I did it all with a faceless YouTube channel. No showing my face, no personal branding, just pure content. How much do you think I made? Stick around to find out. Before I reveal my total earnings, let's take a look at my most popular videos. My most popular video has 18 million views and brought in around 4,000 euros. The second video with 4 million views made me 3,600 euros. And the third video with 2 million views earned about 550 euros. My revenue comes from a mix of videos, YouTube Shorts, and live streams. The largest number of views comes from the United States and Brazil, which definitely helps with higher earnings. And finally, my total revenue for 31 million views is around 12,300 euros. So what do you think? Is it too little for that many views, or do you think it's good enough? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And remember, all of this was achieved with a faceless channel. So if you're thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, you don't need to show your face to succeed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more insights into YouTube earnings and tips for growing your channel. See you in the next video.